what advice would you give me as a new notary to really like get out there and really become
Okay, so like I told the previous gentleman, being a notary, the best part of being a notary is there's literally 5 best ways to make money. Let me give them to you. Note signing agent, apostille agent, estate planning attorney, field inspector, and a permit runner.
Okay.
But here's the problem. If you focus on all 5, you're gonna be great at none of them.
Yep.
So I am a little biased because I love loan signings. Why? Because there's 2 ways you should be judging a new business. Is there business actually for me, which is called market opportunity? How big is the market? And can I do it? So there's 4.3 million homes closed last year. That's in 8% interest rate market. We're down interest rates this year. There'll be more homes closing. So the opportunity is the biggest of all these niches I just told you within the real estate, within the notary industry. And number 2, all we're doing is watching people sign their name 100 times.
Yeah.
So I believe that you just get everything off the table, focus in. Now, what I tell my students is the best part of being a notary is you can multiple streams of revenue. Focus on one stream and then continue the rest. Yeah. So the way you get in my opinion, is focus on the side of the industry that makes the most money, pays you the most lucratively. That's being a loan signing agent.
Yep.
Once you get that learning curve down, that's called that 30 days, then you jump to being an apostille agent. Then you jump to being a estate planning notary. Then you jump to being wedding official. But you just got to focus on one thing, go deep. The biggest problem with entrepreneurs is we want 19 holes dug.
Yeah.
And
we talk about that all the time. Like, don't jump from one thing to another. Right. Focus on one, which I've been focusing on loan signing, but I'm also an apostille agent.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not as comfortable as I am as a loan signing agent, so I'm still focusing on loan signing to get that and master it, and then I'm going to move over to the apostille.
That's exactly what you should be doing. And look, and I love what you just said there. You're doing some apostille on the side. If business comes to you naturally, I'm all for it. What I'm not for is putting time into it as far as studying and all that, because that takes you away from the real moneymaker of our notary niche. I mean, there's only way to make $75 to $200 an hour consistently is with loan signings. Now, one of the most lucrative ways to make money is as an estate planning notary, but the problem is there's not nearly as many trust closing as homes. That's not even on the same wavelength. But you can actually, but the cool part is you can start knocking these out one by one. So focus on, and then when you start becoming a signing agent, my thing is focus on signing services and then focus going direct. And so entrepreneurship is about just knocking one domino down, going to the next, knocking down, going to the next. If you can get systematic about it, you can make $1 trillion. The problem is most notaries aren't. They're just trying to organize chaos, and that's not how you run it. You got to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and keep building things.
I feel like that's what I was doing at first.
Right.
At first, I'm like, I want to do this. I want to do this. Oh my God, so much you can do. I just want to do everything. But then I realized, wait, this takes time.
That's right.
So I had to slow it down a little bit. Now, I did the apostille and I did the loan signing, but loan signing is what I'm doing the most.
And that's where the most money is going to be, like, period. It's the business is called market opportunity. Like, you go where the biggest market is. And in our notary niche, it is in the single-family residences. So focus on that, get deep, give it like 90 days with your head down, look up, go to the next. Make sense?
Yep.
Let's get it.
Thank you.
Hopefully I helped you a little bit. Thank you for spending a little time.
You helped a lot.
Okay, I'll take it, girl. Let's go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I hope that video brought you a ton of value, and if you want to continue to get information just like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell. And of course, if you have any questions about what you just watched, don't hesitate to comment below, as I'll get back to you 100%. And if you're interested and you could use some free information, I'll be becoming a notary signing agent. Simply click the link below.